Welcome to Learning Unit 4, Intercultural Communication and Business. We are on Chapter 10 of our work. Our learning outcomes today is to explain how domestic and global growth affects intercultural communication in the business context, to describe the role of power in intercultural business relationships with reference to the leadership styles, explain how work-related values could present as challenges in intercultural business encounters. Theme 2 is to critically discuss various communication styles within the intercultural business context, provide examples of how rules for business etiquette vary across cultures, and analyze how diversity, prejudice, and discrimination can affect intercultural business relations. Please turn to page 183. You will need to read through the case study example there that they have of intercultural communication within the workplace. There are large challenges that can happen because of language differences and different cultures. You can also read the what do you think there on page 183. We move on to the domestic and global economy. Domestic growth talks about that there is an increase of diversity in South Africa's workforce. You can also read through the quote there, but mostly we're talking about in the section that affirmative action has been to readdress past discriminatory practices and has been implemented on a growing scale in the world. So there is a creation of more diversity in the workplace, in organizations. And this has benefits and it has challenges. In South Africa, we have a struggle in the past to achieve a performance-related unity when it comes to diversity. You can also read through the study on page 184, and it has all those different statistics. And then we move on to gross domestic product, which looks at how it's measured in terms of the changes in value of goods and services produced by an economy. The next section looks at global growth, which talks mostly about globalization, how global markets are more connected than ever, allowing countries developed or developing to connect around the world. And then we have an example between China and India with China's Lenovo computer. And it's talking about that there is an importance in the international market, and in both domestic and international settings, intercultural encounters can continue. In the next section, we discuss power issues in intercultural business encounters. Don't forget to read through the textbook examples to further your understanding of this content.